Hello and welcome, guys. In this video I will show you how to use an external battery for your Yi original camera. Now you will buy this separately, and this is a power pack, and the way you would do is you were going to charge this up using the Yi's cable that comes with it. So you're going to connect this to your computer via USB, and then once it's charged you're going to use it with your camera. So you don't need to buy an external battery. You can always just charge this one up and it'll work just fine. Now in the description of the video you have a link to how to use it, so let's have a look and see exactly how it works. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to pop out the original battery, or if your battery has become exhausted then you can switch it out, and you're going to connect it just like this. Alright, so once it's in there and it's charged, let's see, let's turn it on. And you can see it lights up red. It's ready to go. See, it's blinking blue, and you're all set and ready to go. Alright guys, so that was a pretty easy video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're looking to purchase this external battery, look in the description below and I'll have a link for it. Alright, I hope you guys found this useful. Thanks a lot for checking this out, and I look forward to your comments. Okay, bye. Hello and welcome to Motivational Conversation, episode 3. Today let's talk about getting started and taking small steps. So I just want to thank everybody who checked out episode 2 and everything that I was talking about, and all your comments and all your help. So getting started can be difficult depending on what you're doing. If you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to quit smoking, if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, whatever it may be, but there is power in taking small steps. So taking little steps can go a long way. So developing good habits as far as beginning and getting started. So if you checked out episode 1 and 2, I was talking about writing things down. So if you write your goals down, even the small goals, and you accomplish those, you're starting to develop good habits. So if we can learn like bad habits, and we can learn good habits, and to get things going. So start today, take a little step, even if you are needing to read a book to show you how to do either to lose weight or whatever the specific topic is. Just get going and get started. Taking little steps can add up to a long-term goal that you can achieve when all those little steps are compounded. So that's it for episode 3. Thank you for joining me. If you got any more ideas, or let me know what you do to get started on whatever project or whatever it is that motivates you, let me know. Alright, thanks.